Louder po.
Let's go, guys.
Next. Mike na lang tuloy.
My favorite memory when you hindi na
You wait for CJ to say something. It will be ano na naman, a good report.
No. Ayaw mo na tayo nakakilala? Dahil dyan tayo natin na kaibigan. Dyan tayo natin nakilala.
Okay, thank you.
My favorite memory was playing with Kyrie and CJ in Roblox.
Okay. Ito. Favorite memory. Yung hindi mo malilimutan.
Roblox and I play Roblox every day on my phone.
Okay, ano na po. Okay, sige po, go disco. Louder po. Again? Again po, disco. Again. Louder po. Okay. Natatakpan yung speaker kaya hindi namin naririnig. Wow, thank you, Art. Oh, sit down. Lakasan po, lakasan po, Priya.
Breaking news! Breaking news! My favorite memory!
O, lakasan po.